welcome to Just 2020. Today we are going to show you how to fold your t-shirts so that your t-shirt drawer can go from this to this. Easy to find everything you want. And then you can live happily ever after with your newly organized drawers. So I have shirts of various sizes and it works for all of them equally as simple. The first thing you want to do is to put the print side down or any special details, because that's what you're going to want to see when you open the drawer. Step 2 is to fold to the collar on both sides. Always smooth things so that it takes up the least amount of space and that it will hold its shape later. Step 3 is to fold the waistband to the collar. And step 4 is to make sure it stands up on its own. And you will be able to see which shirt it is when you open up the drawer. So again, we lay it flat, picture facing down, fold it to the neckline, tuck in the arms. These are just work shirts and around the house shirts. And you can see how easy it is to tell the difference between them. Once you have figured it out, it really doesn't take any longer than traditional folding. And they take up less space. And you can see what you have nice and fast and easily. And the great part is I can pick them up, move them around, and bring them to wherever I want to, but it's probably a good idea to put them in a basket if you got far to walk, because otherwise you can go whoop. You can see what everything is. There's one here that I'd like to be able to see what it is a little better, so I could refold and show off this part more, because since it's normally on the front when you have a pattern, but this one is on the side or the back, the side, it had folded in. So then I would just fold this sleeve in, smooth it out a bit better, flip it through with the rest of the folding. And then I can see which one it is. Make sure that they fit into the drawer and they won't get caught as you close your drawer. And it's very simple to grab them in batches and set them in. And obviously they're longer than this, so we can spin them. Put them all in. If you're worried about creasing, don't overfill the drawer. The only one that's going to be creased is this one here, because it's supposed to be. It's not really going to crease, it's just going to be showing what it is. And there, if we want to, if it's a little stuffed, we still have room where I can set them in the middle. And that is a wonderful KonMari drawer with space for 3 more if I wanted to. They'll fit below, none of them will get damaged, and it makes life a whole lot easier. And we will pick out what we want as we want it, and it will work. I can stuff it back and it's just as easy. And that's the priority, making life easier and better, one drawer at a time. If you would like to see more tips on how to fold the KonMari method, comment below, share, like,